Let's do it. And it's right there. Six. And right there. You can see that's about even with the bottom, which is what I'm trying to do. You tossed me one of those
Shims, not shims, A-lines.
yeah. Alright, so look at the guide. Bell mouth has to be at the top, which it is. So that's, you got the guides correct. Open up this pack here. Take that. Stick it in through there. Look at that. Yep, yeah, carriage bolts, carriage, whatever, carriage something.
The guides will rest on both of these pieces of angle iron. It will also act as a stop until they get concrete.
Put it up in there.
Wow, I swallowed the plug.
Pick it up, put it on there. Alright, looks like I could probably go your way. A tizzy. Whoops. Definitely should have had the right bit on here. This one looks like it needs to. Huh. I don't really like how that's sitting, to be honest with you. I'll probably screw this in. For whatever reason. It's a little funky. Drop it down a little bit. Alright, you're good.
Guess when you can sound better.
Super out of level. Gonna be a gap here.
Sorry of shims.
Exactly. Alright. was, but it looked gross. Alright, so over here. Don't screw it in all the way. You're just doing bottom.
Yep. You said don't screw it in all the way?
Yeah, I mean, as in like you're just screwing in the one on the bottom, which this is saying I need to kick it that way more. Yeah, that works. So, I'll see how this goes, since we only have the one ladder. It's okay. Excuse me. We're gonna go in the direction as if we're closing the door. Up in the guide, which is probably gonna be kind of hard. I got it. That, see how that's like tipping? Yeah, I don't know why I was putting it under it. Hold it right there. I'm just gonna get my piece on there now.
Oh, stop it.
Call something. Get this. Oh, this one has two handles. It's weird. Why the other one has two handles? Oh, it kind of messes up what I was trying to do, but I'm gonna add tension to it. That's what I'm as is. So this one, bunch of plastic and crap on there. Just like that. And then if you want to release tension, you go pick it up and then you can release it. As you can see, you always pull down. You don't really need your hand there. What's that piece right here? Do you have the bar? The little bar?
You got it.
No, you have it. That bar is
Oh,
one.
that.
It's just a wrap here. I'll cut it here. Huh?
Should we put that rope in? I do want to bring it out.
Yeah, let me just finish it. Yep, and then we'll bring it all the way down, take all the plastic off. Oh, terrible. A bigger loop than that. Jeez. check it out. See through that hole. That one's pretty decent. This one could move. If you want to go to the outside, I'll close it.
After you screw in, just cut them.
Yep. Yeah, cut them to where they're not totally flush. They stick out maybe a tickle. Just sort of like how this one sticks out like this.
Yeah.
1/4 inch. That's why we had to shim it.